My name's Dr. Sarah Golshan. I am from California, and prior to coming to this class, I had placed one implant about 7 years ago. This class is absolutely different than what I expected. I haven't heard of any other courses in the United States where there's continued care after dentists go to learn how to place implants, and also I've never heard of anywhere that you actually place so many implants. Like I placed I think 15 implants this weekend, which is it's ridiculous in my opinion. So Dr. Chaffin and Brown talked about a lot of topics, and I really enjoyed how they took it all in, and it was a comprehensive learning experience. So it wasn't just placing implants, it was placing implants, knowing where to place them so that in the future you can have a proper restoration that's going to benefit the patient the best. So we talked about smile design, we talked about occlusion, we talked about perio, and how all these things are being factored into how you can recreate a smile. I feel like from what I've learned, I do feel like I know what to do to place implants in private practice, but I think I'd have to come to another course as well, just as my personality, I need to do a lot before I can feel comfortable doing it for other patients. The atmosphere at the Institute was great. There's a lot of knowledge that's going around here, and a lot of people that are excited to teach you as a provider to grow. And I really appreciated everyone's patience and knowledge and how they're excited to share that. My feedback on Dr. Chan's presentation and all that, I'm excited to go to Nevada. I'm excited to go to Vegas and take one of his courses and really learn what wasn't really taught to me in dental school as far as occlusion goes and how that can really affect the whole body. I would absolutely recommend this course to my colleagues. I don't know of any other course that you can take in the United States where you get the hands-on experience that you get here at the Simply Implant Institute. It's just a great experience, and I'm really happy that I'm here.